I'm a younger physician. I'm also a working mom. I have 2 small children, so I definitely know what it's like to have a very busy schedule and to be stretched. So I understand when patients need to be on time and need to get out of here at a certain time and get things done and not have as much downtime. And I really work with them to make sure that they can fit this into their lifestyle. Because I think that's really important, especially when we all live such busy lives. Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Ellern, and I'm a cosmetic physician at Reflections. I realized along the way that I'm really not a surgeon, so that kind of eliminated that as a potential way to make people look more beautiful. And as I found out, you can do cosmetic medicine through a lot of training courses and efforts of your own to get into this field, which is what I had done. And I really love just transforming the way people look and making them feel great about themselves, and I think that really reflects in their everyday life. I think I have a couple areas of specialty. I do a lot of injectables, botox fillers to help flesh out the underneath the surface kind of dimension. I also do a lot of laser work, tattoo removal, laser resurfacing, skin tightening with procedures like Ulthera and Excellis, a lot of body contouring consults, work with stretch marks and things like that. So not just only face, but body as well, to really help improve all the different aspects that especially women are looking to improve here. I think my favorite thing about working here is we have a really wonderful group of patients that we really get to know and really learn what they want and try to accomplish making them look the best they can in the most natural way. And I think that really is what makes it enjoyable to come here, is really learning all about these people and their lives outside of here as well. We also have a really wonderful group of physicians who all have different strengths in different areas of specialty, so we work really well together to accomplish what you need. So I think that's probably the 2 things, the patients and just the wonderful staff, that makes it really enjoyable to come here every day and work. So my philosophy here is to really listen to the patients, find out what it is that bothers them, and try to accomplish that in the most natural and youthful sort of way, and try to make them the best version of themselves. And to also remind them that my aesthetic and what I think that they would look best doesn't necessarily have to be the same as what they see, that we can work together to create the best appearance possible for them. I use a lot of talk therapy. We're always, chit-chatting while we're doing things to try and distract you if you're nervous or feeling anxious about the procedure. Also to make the time move on quickly, especially if it's a longer sort of procedure. I also try to do my best to make it as comfortable as possible so that, you don't have any nervousness about it. And I also try to minimize downtime, because I certainly don't want to walk out of here with a bruise, and I'm sure most patients do not. So that's kind of what I try to focus on, is make sure this is comfortable and as minimally intrusive to your life as possible. So one thing at Reflections that we really focus on is being on top of the curve on the latest technology. So we're always going to the latest conferences, getting the best devices, and having them available, knowing how to use them. And so what we do is we are able to use whatever is the best to accomplish your goal, and that we don't have to be forced to choose only what we have available. We actually have the best of everything. So I think that's one of the best things about coming here, is that we have everything. I look forward to meeting you at your consultation.